The Shoreline Plan 1 at Summer Lake is a spacious and elegant home with a floor plan that makes a stunning first impression. With an entry courtyard leading to an open great room, this home is ideal for entertaining. Options include expanded outdoor living space and a fourth bedroom with private bath. Plan 2 offers a sumptuous master bedroom with a regal 5-star bathroom and oversized walk-in closet. Split garages offer welcome flexibility, including an optional independent living suite with its own private entrance. Plan 3 is Shoreline's largest single-story plan. This home includes luxuries like a flex room, which can enlarge the already generous space, or serve as a personal library, home theater, or office. The optional expanded outdoor living space truly makes this home ideal for lounging or entertaining. Plan 4 delivers all of the luxuries of the Plan 3, then adds a second story with 2 additional bedrooms, a full bath, and a flexible game room of lavish proportions. Flexibility and elegance combine with joyous opportunities for personalization. Shoreline is the Summer Lake neighborhood you've been waiting for. With lakefront homes, elegant architecture, and a variety of community amenities, this is sunny Delta living exactly the way you imagined it could be.